In this demo, we'll look at how Cloudera AI Inference enables organizations to run AI models reliably for mission-critical applications directly where their data lives. Imagine a hospital using AI to help diagnose pneumonia from chest X-rays. A patient arrives with severe respiratory symptoms. The doctor uploads the scan, and the system runs an AI model to assist with diagnosis. But the system suddenly stops responding because the cloud API that the application depends on is temporarily unavailable. In healthcare, delays like this matter. Today, we'll walk through a pneumonia detection application powered by Cloudera AI Inference Service. Let's take a look at the application itself. This is a pneumonia detection system designed to help clinicians analyze chest X-rays and quickly determine whether a patient may have pneumonia. The application is running here in Cloudera AI. Let's start with our first patient scan. The model analyzes the image and returns a negative result for pneumonia. This allows clinicians to quickly rule out pneumonia and move on to the next case. Now we'll load a second scan from a patient who have displayed some symptoms of pneumonia. We upload their chest X-ray image, the system runs inference again, and this time, the model flags positive indicators. The clinician can now review the findings and prioritize treatment. You could also see that this imaging analysis was done in less than a second. Under the hood, this pneumonia classifier is just one of many models running within the service. Each model is exposed as a private inference endpoint, running within the organization's own infrastructure. That means applications can call the model securely without relying on external cloud APIs. And this is just one of many models running in the service, including large language models, traditional machine learning models, and deep learning workloads. The key is that teams can run open models or their own proprietary models while maintaining full ownership of their data and IP. Here, we can also monitor real-time activity for the model. Cloudera AI Inference provides built-in observability for inference workloads, including metrics like latency, request rate, and resource utilization. As the application sends requests, teams can monitor how the model performs in real time and ensure it continues to meet production requirements. And because these endpoints run privately where the data lives, the application continues to operate, even if external cloud services experience outages. In this demo, we showed a healthcare scenario, but the same principle applies to any mission-critical AI application: financial fraud detection, manufacturing predictive maintenance, national security systems. And that's where private AI comes in, allowing mission-critical applications to keep running, even when external services have issues. Beyond resilience, private AI also gives organizations more control over how AI runs in production. Models run privately behind your firewall, bringing AI to where the data already lives, even in regulated or air-gapped environments. It also gives teams choice over the models they deploy, whether that's open models, custom models, or multiple models running side by side. And because inference runs on infrastructure you control, organizations can achieve more predictable economics rather than paying per API call. That's exactly what Cloudera AI Inference is built for, running AI models where your data lives for real production systems. So your mission-critical AI applications keep running, even when everything else doesn't.